Hello traders and investors, this is Sal for Expo Futures giving you a quick update. Today is the 3rd of December. This won't take long, just give it real brief. Here's your daily chart on the S&P and March bottom, here are the tops. A new high today, but we are back into this channel and my job isn't to call tops or bottoms. But it's pretty extended. I have to have an opinion. This is a better profit taking point than a long place where you start your long positioning. So you know what to do. You know how to trade. If you have any questions, ask somebody. But higher highs, waiting to see where the support is. What we have down here, which is even more interesting, is the same market. This is the S&P in dollars up here, the ES9Z. But at the bottom we have the ES9Z ratio versus the gold contract. So interesting. Both of these contracts show a long-term, short-term, some form of a bottom in late February and March, and from there we rose. However, instead of just like the S&P, instead of making new highs, higher highs in the S&P, this chart, instead of higher highs in December, the highest high, because it's priced in gold value, not dollar value, what we show is we topped out in August. This is actually August top, late August, beginning of September, and we're actually continuing to make lows, and this may be a level of support, maybe it may not. And the reason it's showing this type of action is obviously S&P rose from the lows and was outperforming gold, but ever since August, gold has outperformed the S&P. So in real terms, the S&P is not doing so hot in gold terms, which is quote-unquote real money. Just some perspective. I have a few other ones I'll just show real quick. I'm tracking here the S&P in euro. That's another spread that might be interesting to look at. This is a shorter term chart. Obviously, let me back it out real quick. I'll just do 480 minutes. I'm not going to go out too far back. So that's another ratio that I like looking at, just for giggles. And then also the other one I want to show real quick is gold. Here's one I've been tracking in the short term for the last few days. Gold in euros. So gold in euros is actually closer to about high 809s, one as high as 812. But maybe there's some short-term topping in gold. I'm not here to pick tops. I'm not here to pick bottoms. But this level of 800 needs to hold. If not, another level is the 790 level. So just watch your levels and have fun with your charts. I know I do. If you have any questions, send me a note. You can subscribe or leave a comment, and you can get all these charts and all this fun stuff. We call it financial porn if you enjoy these as much as we do. But take care.